Jai Sriman Sumantra, after he made sure that this Ramachandra Swami, Lakshmana and Sitamma went so far, now he cannot see any more. Then Sumantra, with so much of grief, he is going back. After Sumantra left, on other banks, Sita Rama Lakshmana, they are getting into forest, deeper forests. The one Ramachandra Swami, Salokapala Pratima Prabhavavam, the one who is an equivalent of Lokapalakas, such Ramachandra Swami, Mahatma, the great man of the entire world, such Ramachandra Swami, Varadaha, the one who gives all, who fulfills all our wishes, such great Ramachandra Swami. Along with Ramachandra Swami, Sitamma and Lakshmana, three of them reached a huge tree in that dreadful forest. By then it is almost evening. Now Rama and Lakshmana doing their Sandhyavandanam, evening Sandhyavandanam. Then it is getting darker. Rama saying to Lakshmana, Lakshmana, now we don't have Sumantra with us. All these days Sumantra was there with us. We kind of felt little bit assured, secured. But today is this is the first day, first night that we don't have Sumantra along with us. Now onwards, we only three will be there for 14 years. Oh Lakshmana, let us not be scared. Let us not miss Sumantra. Let us not be worried. Let us be brave. Like that Ramachandra Swami telling Lakshmana and also saying that, oh Lakshmana, from now onwards, we should not be sleeping in the nights. We both should be alert and take care of Sita. Like that, Rama and Lakshmana, both of them collected some leaves and put on the floor, and simply they are taking, relaxing, and while relaxing, Rama is saying to Lakshmana that, oh Lakshmana, now our father must be crying a lot today. He may be going through so much of grief, but whereas our mother Kaikamma must be feeling so happy that I am now in the forest, and soon Bharata will be reaching Ayodhya, and soon Bharata will get Pattabhishekam done. In the process of giving the kingdom to Bharata, Kaikeyi Mata would not even hesitate to do any kind of harm to our father Dasaratha. That is what I am feeling, Lakshmana. Ramachandra Swami sharing all his thoughts to Lakshmana, and also saying that now our father is older man. When Bharata comes, he along with his wife rules the entire kingdom. If our father would not be interfering in his ruling at all. Now look at me, I am in the forest. Now entire kingdom is Bharata's. He will enjoy the kingdom. Oh Lakshmana, now we should learn a lesson from our father. He did not care about dharma, artha, but he completely got captivated by kama. That is why, because of that kamam, now he is going through so much of grief. Look at him. So like that, Ramachandra Swami, in general, talking so many things to Lakshmana, and also saying that, Lakshmana, I even doubt that Kaikeyi Mata can trouble our Kausalya Mata and Sumitra Mata also. Like this, Rama is saying several things to Lakshmana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.